Here is one of the most expensive motorcycle in the world. Vyrus 987C34V is more powerful than Ducati's Desmosedici RR, MV Agusta's F4 312RR, Suzuki's Hayabusa or Kawasaki's ZZR1400. The hub center-steered Vyrus runs a 167 horsepower supercharged 1198cc 1098R Ducati engine, weighs just 158 kilograms and costs €10,000. The engine is powered by 1198,4cc, 4-stroke 2 cylinders 2 liters shaped 90 degrees with electronic water system control and 6-speed transmission. It boasts 167 horsepower with maximum speed at 295 km per hour. The push-rod suspensions is one of its unique design. At the front is progressive link Vyrus Mupo AB1 suspension fully adjustable. And the rear is using direct system Vyrus Mupo AB1 suspension fully adjustable. Here is the chassis specs. Frame, double OMU design. Steering, from 18 degrees to 24 degrees, trail from 80 mm to 106 mm. Wheelbase, 1,400 mm. Front brake 320 mm twin floating. Rear brake is using 210 mm single disc. Front tire size is 120/70 ZR17, mount 3.50. Rear tire size is 190/50 ZR17, J6.00. 12 liters fuel tank capacity. Dry weight is just 159 kilograms.